Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your account PIN on HP Victus 16. In order to restore it, this is gonna be pretty different depending on whether or not you're logged in with the Microsoft account, and probably you are, since it is mandatory in Windows 11. So first I'm gonna talk about the solution for that, and later on I'm gonna mention the local account solution. So here you can click on I forgot my PIN. Then click on that again, and you will need to log in with your Microsoft account. But of course, if you don't remember your Microsoft account password, you can click on forgot password, and then you can just restore it by entering your email, then getting the code to your email and so on. Or you can just email code to that email, so you don't even have to restore the password. You just need to enter the code from the email. I'm gonna click on I'm gonna enter the password actually, and if there will be no way for you to log into that account, then the only way to restore your laptop is unfortunately installing Windows from USB, which will erase all your data. But you can watch a video on our channel on it in case you've tried multiple times and there was just no way for you to log into the Microsoft account. By the way, you need to have internet access in order to log into it, so that is important as well. Then you may need to verify your identity with either email or phone number. So I got the code for my to my email, and I'm gonna enter it quickly. Then I'm gonna click on continue, and now you can just set a new password, a new PIN. You can include letters and symbols, of course, but I'm gonna set it to numerical stuff. And now you're logged in. So this is how you do it, basically. But if you have a local account, then you need to, I guess, enter the wrong password a few times, maybe once, 2 or 3 times. And after that, you will have an option to restore password. And you will need to answer to the security questions that you've answered to while creating the local account. Though if you just don't remember them, unfortunately you also need to install Windows from USB, and the video is on our channel, and that will erase all the data that's on your drive. And that's the only solution if you can't answer the security questions. That's why I always encourage people to answer, to truthfully answer the security questions so they don't forget the answers for them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.